This short film explores how environmental inequality appears in Long Beach, California. Using ideas from our class, we're going to look at how social and economic divisions shape who lives closest to pollution. Long Beach is home to one of the busiest ports in the world. Every day, thousands of ships and trucks move goods through this harbor. The Port of Long Beach brings jobs, trade, and economic growth all to Southern California. But it also brings tons of pollution, and not everyone is affected equally. Unfortunately, the day I was filming was a bit of a cloudy day towards the water. However, one thing to be noted, when you were outside, especially near the 710 freeway and all these trucks, there is a gnarly smell of burning rubber that gives you a headache in just a couple minutes. And that smell also mixes with the tons of diesel coming from the trucks, which is not so pleasant. For the people in Long Beach who live close to the port, which in this shot will be directly to your right, there are plenty of neighborhoods. There are thousands of diesel trucks passing by all day. The air here contains some of the highest levels of fine particle pollution in California. Many residents live less than a mile from major freight routes, and asthma and other respiratory problems are far more common in these areas. Environmental inequality often follows social and economic lines. Working class communities and communities of color are far more likely to live near pollution sources. Meanwhile, wealthier neighborhoods farther from the port experience cleaner air and quieter streets. This shows how social stratification directly affects health and quality of life. As sociologists, we should argue that pollution isn't distributed randomly. It reflects more the systems of power in place. Corporate interests, government policies, and zoning decisions determine where the industry is located and who must live nearby. Environmental harm is a part of a larger structure of social inequality. Despite these challenges, people in West Long Beach continue to build strong communities. Local organizations push for cleaner air and stricter emission controls. Residents show pride, resilience, and the will to make their cities healthier. The Port of Long Beach does connect Southern California to the world, but I would argue that its impact is felt most by those living close to the port. Environmental justice means ensuring that progress does not come at the cost of someone else's health. And last but not least, thank you guys for watching.